In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Dropbox Sign with Google Drive so you can manage and sign documents more efficiently. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Dropbox Sign website. Log into your account using your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, create one first and then sign in. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of the dashboard and click on Integrations. This section shows all the apps and services you can connect with Dropbox Sign. Scroll through the list of available integrations until you find Google Drive. Click the option to activate the integration. You'll now be prompted to sign in to your Google account. Choose the Google Drive account you want to connect and review the permissions requested. Approve the access so Dropbox Sign can connect with your Google Drive. After confirming access, the integration will be completed automatically. That's it. You've successfully connected Dropbox Sign with Google Drive, allowing you to import files directly from Drive and save signed documents back to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your document workflow.